Hey guys, it's Mike again. I've been working on the 67 Mustang behind me here this week. So I figured I'd give a quick video tour, kind of what's been going on with it and the progress that's being made. All right, so this is the 67 Mustang convertible project. It came in from another shop and I ended up redoing a bunch of the work to kind of make it right and to make it a nicer car. Cut everything out from the floors, firewall, pretty much the whole cowl I had to replace. Door jambs and door posts I had to replace. I ended up just leaving the windshield post, the rockers, the quarters, and the doors. Designed a new 2x4 rectangular mandrel bent frame that I did. I had to replace the sub rail to make it a stiffer car. Did the shock tower delete. Mustang 2 front end. I'm getting everything fit up on the front, and it's got a Kazi Boss 9 engine in it. And I've already had the fenders, both inner aprons, kind of a mock-up hood that was kind of cut up from before from the other shop. I've had it in place. Headlight surrounds, grill, all that stuff, I've had it mocked up on the front. So now I'm just kind of finalizing everything, getting it put back up, and then I can start on the firewall, the floors, and kind of work my way back. I'll show you the inside of the chassis and how far down everything got taken. So the inner rockers are plated, and I kind of tied the new tube structure into that. I'm going to take it back to being a unibody car, but just a lot stiffer than what it was. Still have the bracing in holding the windshield frame up. I still need to do some sheet metal work on the quarters just to kind of tidy things up. And then I'm going to replace the rear panel. It's going to get a new deck lid. So there's not going to be much left of the the original car when it's all said and done, but it should turn out to be a really nice car. That's it for now, and I'll put up another update as things progress.